Hi, good morning everyone. So I am Mabel V. Pama. So this final demo teaching will be served as my final examination. So I hope you enjoy. Okay class, please stand up. Arrange your chairs. 1, 2, okay. Pick up some piece of paper under your table. There. Okay. Miss Shala, please lead us a prayer.
In the name of the Father, of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen.
Okay. Take your seats. Okay, who's absent? Who's absent today? Okay, before I forget, please pass your attendance card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Pactao? Present. Pama? Present. Balyaran? Present. Kuyones? Okay, present. Gergasin? Gergasin? Present. Montaño? Okay. Alonzo? Okay, present. Okay, you are all present today. Very good. Do you have assignments? Okay, did you bring the materials that I tasked you to bring today? Okay, very good. But before we going to proceed our formal discussion, what was our lesson yesterday? Anyone? Yes, Miss Kama? Okay, our lesson yesterday was all about function. Okay, before we proceed, I have here an activity. Okay, your task is to bring those materials, and that materials will be used in today's activity. So I will divide you into 2 groups. Okay, count 1 to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, go to your groups. Select a leader. So our activity today is a quiz bowl activity. So all you have to do is to answer the questions correctly. So you will write your answer in your card or illustration board. Then raise your answer. Are we clear? Do you have any question? Okay, let's proceed. Group 1. Okay, group 1 and group 2. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Question number 1. Okay. It is a point of intersection of 2 axes. Again, it is a point of intersection of 2 axes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your answer, group 1. Okay, Origin. How about the group 2? Okay, very good. The answer is Origin. Okay. Number 2. An ordered pair of numbers can be associated with a point in a plane. It is called blank. Again, an ordered pair of numbers can be associated with a point in a plane. It is called blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your answer. Okay, group 2, what your answer? Cartesian plane. How about you? Group 1. Coordinate. The correct answer is the Cartesian plane. Only the group 2 got the correct answer. Okay, number 3. Every point in the plane corresponds to an ordered pair of real numbers x and y called blank. Again, every point in the plane corresponds to an ordered pair of real numbers x and y called blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, raise your answers. Group 1, coordinates. Group 2, ordered pairs. The correct answer is coordinates. Group 1 got the correct answer. Number 4, René Descartes was a blank mathematician who named the Cartesian plane. Okay? René Descartes was a blank mathematician who named the Cartesian plane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is French. Okay, René Descartes was a French mathematician who named the Cartesian plane. Okay, very good. Number 5. So it is formed by two real number lines intersecting at right angles. Again, it is formed by two real number lines intersecting at right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Raise your answer. Group 1, Cartesian plane. Group 2, Cartesian plane. Very good. The correct answer is Cartesian plane. Okay. The last number. The origin in Cartesian plane has coordinates of blank. Again, the origin in the Cartesian plane has coordinates of blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's your answer, group 2? 0 and 0. How about group 1? Okay, 0 and 0. Very good. So class, based on our activity today, what do you think is our lesson for today? Miss Pama, coordinates. Okay. Miss Alonso, X and Y coordinates. Okay. How about you, Miss Alagos? Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about the Cartesian plane. But before we're going to proceed our formal discussion, I want you to read our objectives. Or let me read to you our objectives. So, at the end of the lesson, 75% of the students are expected to first, draw a Cartesian plane in its parts. Second, sketch and graph of a function. So based on our activity, what is Cartesian plane? Anyone? What is Cartesian plane? Yes, Mr. Parino? Okay, excellent. Any idea? Okay, good idea. So Cartesian plane, it is formed by two real number lines intersecting at right angles. What is it? It is formed by two real number lines intersecting at right angles. So I have here the illustration of the Cartesian plane. So class, eyes on the board. Okay, so this is the illustration definition of Cartesian plane. So as what you can see, there are two regions. Namely, the quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay, based on the definition of Cartesian plane, name the two number lines in Cartesian plane. Okay? Miss Patrimonio? Okay, just try. Name the two number lines exist in Cartesian plane. Okay. Okay, very good. So the two number lines in Cartesian plane are horizontal number line and the vertical number line. Okay. In these four quadrants, these consist of signs. What signs do we have? Positive and negative sign. Okay. In quadrant 1, an ordered pair of signs are positive and positive. Why positive and positive, ma'am? It is simply because in x-axis, it consists of positive numbers. That's why in first term, the sign is positive. In y-axis, however, the numbers consist of positive sign also. So therefore, in quadrant 1, both x and y coordinates are positive. Okay, very good. How about the quadrant 2? The signs are negative and positive. Why? Because, again, the unordered pair of signs are negative and positive. The x-axis, in line with x-axis, the signs are negative or the numbers are negative. So that's why the first term in this sign is negative followed by positive because the y-axis is positive. Are we clear? Okay. In quadrant 3, how about the quadrant 3? Why both x and y coordinates are negative? Okay, share your idea, Miss Pama. Okay, thank you. Okay, the first term or in x-axis, the numbers consist of negative signs. So that's why the first sign here is negative followed by negative also because in line with the y-axis, it is negative sign. Also in quadrant 4, the positive and the negative sign is simply because our x-axis here are all, or the numbers here are all positive and the y-axis is negative. Do you have any question? Are you sure? Oh, how about the person? Or the person who named or who developed the Cartesian plane based on our activity a while ago? Okay, I've mentioned him a while ago in our activity. Okay. The person who developed the Cartesian plane was René Descartes. Okay. René Descartes was a French mathematician who developed the Cartesian plane. Are we clear? Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. Do you have any questions, clarifications about this illustration? If not, then yes? René Descartes. Okay, he was a French mathematician who developed the Cartesian plane. Any question? Okay, if you won't ask, I will ask you. Okay? Okay? It seems like an oral recitation. Okay. Okay, prepare yourself. So, my question questions are logic. So all you have to do is to analyze each statement, if possible, word by word. Are we clear? Okay. Number 1. Pama. Your question is, I don't fly, but I am a plane. Again, I don't fly, but I am a plane. You have 3 to 5 seconds to answer the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your answer? Cartesian? Plane. Very good. 5 points. Number 2. Miss Patrimonio. Okay. If 2 axes intersect, I am the point. If 2 axes intersect, I am the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your answer? Origin? Are you sure? Okay, very good. The answer is origin. Okay, next. Mr. Patrimonio. Okay, your question is, I am a number line that meant to lie down forever. Again, I am a number line that meant to lie down forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is your answer? What is your answer? Vertical or horizontal? Horizontal number line. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Alonzo. If he is negative, so me. If he is negative, so me. What quadrant am I? What quadrant am I? Okay? Again, the question is, if he is negative, so me. If he is negative, so me. What quadrant am I? What quadrant am I? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer? Quadrant? 2? Are you sure? If he is negative, so me. Quadrant? 3. Quadrant 3. The x and y coordinates are both negative. Okay. Nice try. Next, Miss Caro. Your question is, she calls me as her horizontal line. She calls me as her horizontal line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer? X axis. That's great. Okay. Miss Baliran. Okay. I am a number line that prefers to stand firmly. I am a number line that prefers to stand firmly. What is your answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Vertical number line. Okay. Next. Mr. Patrimonio again. Okay. My x is positive and my y is negative. My x is positive and my y is positive. What quadrant am I? What quadrant am I? It is quadrant. What? Quadrant? 2? Are you sure? Positive and negative? It is quadrant 4. Okay. Last number. Miss Dulatas. Okay. We are purely both positive. What quadrant am I? We are purely both positive. What quadrant am I? Purely positive. Quadrant Y. 1. Okay, quadrant 1. X and Y coordinates are both positive. Okay, very good, class. So do you have any question? Clarification? So again, Cartesian plane is formed by two number lines intersecting at what? At right angles. Okay, don't forget that definition. Okay, very good. So in Cartesian plane, there are 4 regions, namely quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay, again, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So in quadrant 1, there are positive and positive ordered pairs. And quadrant 2, negative and positive. So in quadrant 3, negative and negative or both x and y coordinates are negative. Okay, very good. And lastly, the quadrant 4 is positive and negative. Okay. The two number lines that intersect at the center is called origin. Or origin, it is where two number lines intersect at right angles. Okay, very good. Do you have any question? Clarification? Okay, if not, okay, arrange your chairs. Okay, silently. Get a one whole piece of paper. Yes, we will have a quiz. Since you didn't ask, then I assume that you all understood my discussion. Okay? Please write down your quiz. I will read it twice. So just listen. Okay, lend me your ears. Stop talking. For 50 points, draw a Cartesian plane formed by two real number lines intersecting at right angles. Again, draw a Cartesian plane formed by two number lines intersecting at right angles. Label the 4 regions, its parts, and the signs involved in x and y coordinates. Okay, no cheating. You only have 5 minutes to answer the quiz. If you have any question, then ask your chipmate. Are we clear? Ask me directly. If finish or not finish, pass your papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 8 papers will not be accepted. Okay? I will check it later. And I will distribute your papers tomorrow. Okay, class? Did you find our activity interesting? Share your thoughts, Mr. Parino. Did you find our activity interesting? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, class, I hope you learned from me. But before anything else, For your assignment tomorrow, okay? Open your books on page 12. In a one whole piece of paper, copy and answer the question. Graph the function f of x equals negative x plus 1 given that the domain of f is negative 3, 0, 2, and 4. Yes, it will be passed on tomorrow. You have any question? Clarification? Before I forget, we will be having a skull evaluation tomorrow. So I hope you will do good as always. Okay? Are we clear? Any questions? Clarifications? If none, stand up. Arrange your chair. Pick up some piece of paper under your table. Okay? Okay, Miss Shella, lead us a prayer. Okay. Good day, class.